If you're looking for the best chess apps to play chess on your phone, this video is for you because, honestly, chess has become more popular than ever. And today, there are some incredible apps that let you play, learn, and improve your skills from anywhere. So here are my top 3 chess apps for 2026. Starting with number 3, Lichess is completely free with no ads and offers online. Matches, puzzles, tournaments, and game analysis. It's one of the most respected chess platforms in the world, especially among serious chess players. Now, let's move to number 2, Chess. Universe is great for beginners and casual players. It offers a more visual experience, different locations, daily challenges, and a friendly interface that makes learning chess feel less intimidating. And my number 1, pickchess.com. Chess.com is by far the most popular chess app in the world. It allows you to play against people from around the globe, solve puzzles, take lessons, watch professional matches, and analyze your games. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced player, there's something for everyone. Now here's an important tip. Don't just play. Games, spend time solving puzzles, reviewing your mistakes, and learning basic strategies, because that's where most improvement happens, not simply by playing more matches. So to summarizujemy top 3 chess apps in 2026 are talk number 3 Lichess, number 2 Chess Universe, and number 1 chess.com. Because, honestly, if you want to get better at chess, these apps give you almost everything you need right from your phone.